I'm a South Indian. My hobbies and interests are I really love to draw, I really love to read, and I really love to take YouTube videos. Why I love to take YouTube videos are all the YouTubers do their best and their YouTube videos are so interesting. That's why I like to take YouTube videos. I'm gonna post videos like cooking, drawing, traveling vlogs, and gaming stuff, which are free on Google. Press the like button and subscribe and comment below.